Hey guys, wanna know how to add photos of yourself in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, if you are in your login section or sign up section, you should just simply head up to this photo section that is located right here. Now these are where your photos should be and where your match sees your photos. Now in order to add it, just simply click on this button right here. And you can either take a photo currently or just choose existing. Select allow. And then from your gallery, choose any photos that you like. Now just simply choose 6 individual photos. Now once you've selected 3 or 4 photos, you can click on next. You can also upload 6 photos, but it's your choice. And once you've selected next, that's it. Your photos has been successfully uploaded. Now you can write in your summary and do whatever you like and then upload it to get some matches. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.